Welcome back into this video. I'll be showing you guys how to add a face mesh on the effect house, and yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys what I do on my phone first, since I don't have those big software to edit on it. So I'll go ahead and hop on my phone and show you guys what's up and what I'll go through. Alright, so first you're gonna want to have the face mesh from effect house. If you guys don't have it, the link will be in the description so you can use it. Anyway, and then second, I'll go ahead and open up a Picsart, and as you can see, this is my work. I just plug it in like that. I can redo it one more time again for you guys. Don't save it. I just click here, the plus sign, scroll on the bottom, click the background here, and then I just add my own this, and you can zoom out too, so which is pretty good. And then now I just need to add some of the face stickers, and I just need to search Y2K cyber. I'll go ahead and scroll up on the bottom. I like this one. Alright, so now I just need to expand it up just like right here, and now I just need to click the background and load down the capacity, and then after that I just need to save it. And then next I'm gonna do more. I'll do a little bit more. Hold on. I just need to go ahead and send it to my phone since it's right here. Add a couple more. Before that, I'll just go ahead and send it to my phone, to my laptop, of course. So basically, I'll go ahead and start recording now, and it's up. As you guys can see my screen, and so now you just need to go ahead and open up your effect house. It's gonna take long today. I don't know why. Once you do that, create a new project. Just like it to size up more to my laptop, so since it's easy. And right here we just need to add the assets that we just did from our phone. Plus you have to save it PNG. I just gonna go ahead and select it, all of them right now. Once you do that, just wait. You just need to wait. You have to be patient for it to load. And then after that, we'll go ahead and add a face mesh right here, and I'll drag it up. I'll drag it in a panel scene. And once you do that, just come here where it says face paint. Click here, and you just come here where it says texture. That's where you select which one you want. And I'm going to click there, and I'll scroll right on the bottom and choose, and of course I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see, I didn't expand it right, so this is how it came, but I can still change it to a different sticker. Let's say this one. Okay, this one came right, and I can still change it to this one though. And then after that, you just need to click submit. You can add with the LUTS on top too. Here's how you can add a LUT too. You just come here and click it. Click filter. Once you click filter, it will pop up right there, and then just come here to import your LUT, and then boom. And after that, you just need to click submit, and put your title, and here's where you just put your image. And for this image, I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one right here. I'll make it so small. Okay. Alright, there. So once you do that, just click next. And for the aiming, we might also for the aiming, once the face pop up from the camera, we need to click show face, and then continue. sorry if my laptop is making a lot of voice right there, because once you do that, you just come here and click submit a new effect. Of course, if you're once you do that, you just do that again. So I didn't put the title right, so basically that's how it is. And yeah, that's how it is. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Video suggestion too, I will do that.